Hey, it's Kevin Swan, and I had to do this thing for a friend, so I thought I would just record it and put it online for all y'all. I'm just going to show you how I use Showit Web to show my album designs. So I'm going to go to my website. I'll just show you what one looks like here. Clients, browser. So this is the page, what it looks like. Real basic. It's got a nice big picture, and the controls are all, what those look like because you're all Showit users. There's a little exit and my logo, and that's it. I just like it to be real clean and simple. But you notice the pages aren't moving or anything. It's just doing a nice transition between pages. And so I'm just going to show you real briefly. I'm not going to get heavy into HTML and all that stuff. I'm just going to show you really briefly how I did that. I have created a custom HTML, and it's right here, and I'm going to open it in Dreamweaver just to show you a few things. It's really simple. There's really hardly anything to it. The background image that you see there is just, this whole thing is just a, what do you want? This? No? Sorry, my daughter wants something. My ring? Okay. This is just a JPEG that I made in Photoshop, and the code itself, oh, you want these, don't you? She wants my cufflinks. There you go. The code itself, you want the other one too? Okay. Can I go on now? Is this image is actually linked by a cascading style sheet. You can see the link to it right here. Hopefully that shows up at this resolution. I don't know. So this style sheet defines some things about like this background image, and you can see over here on the style sheet that there is a body call out, and in that body call out there is a background image, and that background image goes to my website, just kevinswan.com/images/like-album background or something like that. So that's how the background image gets in there. Oh, thank you. Bye. Have fun running errands. And in the code of the HTML itself, there's really nothing in here. And where you do have code like this, you could customize it. So I just zoomed in a little bit so you can see the meat. So there's a call out to a style sheet, and the style sheet just gives you that background graphic and some other things. And you need this. This needs to be in your HTML, and this needs to be in your HTML. The Showit object is actually the movie itself, where it's going to go. So there's a table, and then at the very bottom there's a little table you can see in the design here. There's a little table that has my logo and then an exit button. So that's all there is to the custom HTML, right? So if we go and let's run Showit, and I'm going to create a new show. The thing to look for in here, and you guys can tweak your own, but I found that mine are 900 by 440 because that's the dimensions of a page after the trim has been. Even though I design it in like 20 by 10, or in this case it'd be 900 by 450 to be half. After the trim is done in an album, I want the slideshow to look like the finished trimmed album. So 900 by 440 is the proper dimension for that. I do JPEG quality 80. And it'll complain that this resolution is high, and it warns that some people can't watch those movies, but I just ignore it because I'm brave like that. In the slideshow it says default slide movement. You want this to say no movement, okay? And then we create a show. I'm not going to do that because that's boring to watch. I'm going to open a show though, and we go into, oh, my phone just buzzed. You go, look at this. Isn't this thing cool, by the way, for a phone? I don't know if this is showing very well, but you can rotate it and do whatever you like. It makes an awesome nightstand, but it's also nice just to have your phone, like if you want to have conference calls or if you just like to look high tech. I recommend it. I don't know where I bought it, but I'm sure if you look up iPhone stand, you'll find it. It's very nice. So here's images, blah, blah, blah. You know what that looks like. Timing, put your music in, record your timing, all the things just like a normal movie or a normal Showit. The only thing you need to do differently is under controls, you want to go to advanced. And down here, choose custom HTML. You want to browse to your custom HTML. In my case, it's called background 3 or whatever it is. And then I like to put in a preload image and all that stuff. So this will create a show now that looks like whatever it was I just showed you. Swan, clients, Berger, like that. And I think if you view source on this critter, yeah, I mean, it's nothing different than what I just showed you. So you've got the call out to the style sheet here. Okay. Go away. Got the call out to style sheet, which is very simple. Style sheets are really, I don't even know if mine's in here. It's probably not. It's probably online though. Well, I know it's online. And then the width and height of your Showit thing, and a lot of this is trial and error, guys. You just play around a little bit with the numbers. If you want to change things, just try different numbers until everything lines up the way you want it, and then you're good to go. So I've got a different one that I use for like non-albums that actually, if I want it to have some motion and things like that, I've just got a different background for that. It's really simple stuff, nothing crazy complicated. I'm looking for that slideshow CSS here, album slide, 3 CSS, let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is the other piece that you will need is a CSS, and I swear that I got this somewhere from Showit. I'm not sure on that, but I'm almost sure that maybe I just took the default that came with Showit Web or something, but and saved it as my own. But anyway, you need some of these callouts in here, like the show it width, show it height, those kind of things all need to be referenced. And then I just added this line right here, the body background image, which throws that image behind everything so that it looks like a background. And that's it. So I know I didn't answer a lot of questions about like cascading style sheets and HTML, but effectively I know you can do this. Just get somebody that knows a little bit of code and you can totally customize that bad boy. All right, so thanks for playing. See you next time.